So now my question for you is, what are the repercussions in ML models given that it is dependent on the input data? So the major issue that comes while using machine learning algorithms is the lack of quality data as well as the quantity of data. So a data plays a vital role in processing machine learning algorithms. So if we have inadequate na data, or noisy na data, unclean na data, it is extremely exhausting for machine learning algorithms, and it cannot detect the essential information that it should see. Okay, so for example, a simple task requires thousands of sample data, and let's say more advanced tasks like speech or image na recognition, it needs millions of sample na data sample examples. So, and moreover, the data quality is very important for algorithms to work ideally. But the absence of data quality is also found in machine learning algorithms, especially in the available data sets that are being posted online. So, well, the data quality can be affected by some factors like the noisy data. So, if your data is noisy, then it's most likely that your predictions will be inaccurate. So, it will affect the decision as well as the accuracy. So, the incorrect data, on the other hand, is responsible for faulty programming and results that are being obtained in machine learning models. So for example, in the previous na videos, we have discussed about the COVID-19 and the detection of COVID in chest X-rays. Okay, so some of you have raised the issue, what if a certain chest X-ray has been wrongly annotated or wrongly labeled. So that will develop a confusion for the machine learning model. So it will not know that a certain information is faulty or not. So and it will treat that as the input data as correct. So hence the accuracy of the results will also be affected. So what else? And also there are certain biases in machine learning applications. So for example, these are example na um, results generated by Compass. So what the Compass does is to identify the possible um, na perpetrators for a certain crime. So it generally the data says here that Black people are more prone to committing crimes because it the model says it because there is already certain biases in the data wherein more Black people have been convicted. Okay, so this will result in the results of the ML na model. So this is something that you have to be careful about. So and this is also an example of a harmful na AI instead of being a helpful AI because a certain innocent person may be convicted. Okay, so it is important that before you um, start developing your machine learning, you have to um, observe your data first, clean it, reduce the noise, and reprocess it, and as well as watch out for possible the biases. Okay.